So Kybella is the trade name for deoxycholic acid, which is a bile salt which has been around for years and years in Europe. And it is used to as an injection to burn up fat. And it can be used anywhere in the body. Kybella is typically used just in the neck. So people who have sort of a fatty neck or a neck with some hanging down skin and some fat, Kybella can be used to reduce that. It's a very effective treatment. We think of it as an alternative to liposuction, and it can be done in the office. It takes just a few minutes, and then post-injection people have a little bit of swelling and redness, but it is the way to think of it as a chemical alternative to liposuction, and it's very effective. Typically, you would need 2 treatments separated by 4 to 6 weeks. If you have a very big neck and a lot of fat, then you're going to need more treatments than that, maybe as many as 4. But a more common number of treatments is 2, and usually we wait 4 to 6 weeks to see what the result is, because many patients only need 1 treatment and do well after 1 treatment. For large-scale fat removal, you could use Kybella, but then it becomes very expensive. Typically, an injection is about $700 to $900, and you would need 6 or 7 for a large area. So you're better off just doing liposuction and then be done with it in 1 treatment. Absolutely. So there are some people who, even at a near ideal body weight, have a thick neck, or a lot of women as they age get what's called bra fat. So the fat that's around their bra straps, and it's really annoying. And even if they're at a good weight for themselves, they still have that area of fat. So it's really ideal for those types of areas. Certainly if somebody should lose weight and would look better if they lost weight, that's a better treatment. What's the difference between Kybella and Coolsculpt in terms of effectiveness? Coolsculpt is a technology that freezes fat. Until recently, there wasn't a specific attachment for the neck, but there is now a specific attachment for the neck. I think they are 2 different mechanisms that can potentially achieve the same results. I have never been a fan of Coolsculpt. I think their marketing has been brilliant and they're all over the place, but it's not a comfortable treatment, and it's a treatment that hardens the fat before it melts away, and it definitely would take 1 to 2 treatments, and it tends to be a little more expensive. So I'm more a fan of Kybella, especially for the neck area, for which it's FDA approved.